Hi everybody. So if you're new to my channel, I have had an issue with a broken Cricut Maker lid, and I have a resolution that was made yesterday, and I want to share that detail. And I also have some news. I ordered a Cricut Maker 3. So stay tuned. I want to be sure to say that I am not an anti-Cricut maker and crafter and creator. I just, like with anyone, we get frustrated when we hit bumps in the road, and I'm a human and I've gotten frustrated. And I hope that my channel can just be like honest, and you're going to see moments of me just being a human and just telling you how I feel. And if you relate to that and you relate to me, then I would love to have you as a subscriber and part of my YouTube growing family. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what exactly has been going on with my Maker lid. So normally when you would lift this up, it would just all kind of open together uniformly, the front door and the top door or lid. And unfortunately, over time, the hydraulic that is supposed to hold this lid up just quit working. So if anyone can just learn from this, if you have an issue and you fall in the 1-year warranty and whatever issue you have qualifies, then you should be able to have your machine replaced or refurbished or something where they'll actually help you. Unfortunately, after that year, if you don't report anything, then nothing is covered. So to help anyone learn from my mistake of not reporting when I first started noticing the lid kind of getting a little off and just, I don't know, it was like kind of sticking a little, and then now it doesn't work at all. Now the problem with that is if I want to do a writing project and I'm like making a card or something and this thing flops down on it, it's gonna scribble and potentially ruin 5 minutes worth of drawing. So what I did was I contacted Cricut on multiple occasions. I had phone conversations and I had email conversations, and at first they had nothing to offer me. After I called and had some email back and forth, they did offer me 10% off of a new machine. And I felt like, gosh, that's like pennies. That's not really much. I was more persistent and just saying, hey, can you send me a replacement part? I will pay for the replacement part. That's just not something that they're doing at this time. Although the most 2 recent Cricut representatives that I spoke with said that they are working on changing that and making it where they're gonna have certain locations. Like, for example, this is not what they said, I'm just giving an example, that like at Michael's or Joann's, they're gonna have people that can be contracted that can fix the machines. So that's something that they're actually working on, as told to me by 2 separate Cricut representatives through customer service. That's a good thing. I mean, potentially if they're being truthful and this is in the works, then we may not have to spend $400 on a new machine or $300 on a new machine every time one little thing goes wrong with it, if it falls out of the warranty. So one of the last times I spoke with Cricut, trying to be the squeaky wheel to get oil to like help me with this broken lid issue, was yesterday, and it was the launch of the Maker 3. And the reason why I called was because the last time I called, the gentleman that I spoke with in customer service said to call back on the day of the release of the Maker 3. And he said that they may potentially have some more sales offers and discounts. So for whatever reason, whatever their business angle is, I'm not sure, but I just didn't question it. Waited till the 10th, the release of the Maker 3 and the Explorer 3. Ultimately, they increased the percentage off and gave me a store credit and some free shipping. So I ended up ordering the Maker 3. And I'm going to tell you why. Number one, I have this YouTube channel here because I want to share learning. I want people to learn from my mistakes. I want people to learn from the things that I've acquired that could be beneficial to you. And I would like to share what this machine is. I'm going to show the pros and cons. I'm going to do an unboxing. So if you guys are interested in me doing an unboxing, make sure that you click like on this video. And if you guys have questions or thoughts, please drop them in the comments. People that watch my channel, people that are subscribing, what is your cutting machine that you're using? Please, every single person that watches this video, drop in the comments. Do you have a Silhouette, Cameo, Explorer, an older Explorer, a newer Explorer, the Maker machine? Are you thinking about getting the Joy? Do you have the Joy? Are you getting the Cricut Maker 3? So please, everyone that watches this, drop in the comment section what machine you use most to do your die cutting projects. So yeah, I mean, I know I did the video on the Cricut Maker 3 and I was just like totally blown away from the design standpoint and feeling like that Cricut has so many other things that they need to improve before coming out with new machines. However, I thought, just like with cell phones, technology continues to improve. And I thought, I'm not going to replace my Cricut Maker with another Maker, exact same model. I want to try this new machine. I want to have something that has other options to it, and also be able to share on my YouTube channel some information that could be helpful and beneficial to all my subscribers and future subscribers. So if you guys are excited that I got the Cricut Maker 3 on order, please hit the like button. If you've got some requests of things that you'd like me to show and share once I get that Cricut Maker 3, please drop those in the comments as well. I absolutely have been happy with a lot of the projects that I've created with my Cricut Maker machine, and I really appreciate Cricut and a lot of their accessories and things. I definitely have had my moments of being frustrated with customer service. So I'm just happy when I see them stepping up their game. It just, I don't want to be a deterrent to anyone that's thinking about getting a Cricut Maker or Cricut supplies and Cricut accessories and Cricut machines of other kinds. I'm not against Cricut. Obviously, I have my machine and I have another one on the way. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a great rest of your day. And I will be sure to post a video as soon as I get that Cricut Maker 3 arriving at my doorstep. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in continued crafting tutorial videos.